Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 2775 Conn Road in the town of Bloomfield.
This is an amazing country paradise on over 40 acres with a homestead, 2 outbuildings, and sweeping views of the Bristol Hills.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Upon entering this storybook setting, you feel a sense of history with the majestic trees, beautiful landscaping, and how the house and barns are positioned on this one-of-a-kind acreage.
Enjoy relaxing country living with a spacious kitchen, featuring beautiful wood cabinetry, a breakfast bar, and a wood stove, leading to a formal dining room with wainscoting, an expansive living room with a picture window for great natural light, and a charming wood stove, plus an adjacent sunroom, all with scenic country views. The first floor also features a convenient full bathroom and a spacious laundry room with an adjacent entryway.
The upstairs of this special home features 4 spacious bedrooms and a full bath, including this wonderful owner's bedroom with vaulted ceilings, all with scenic country views. Survey your country estate from this back deck and take in those inspiring views of the Bristol Hills.
This country estate is perfect for the outdoor enthusiast, with 2 barns for all your gear and toys, plus over 40 acres with hiking trails and breathtaking views of the Bristol Hills.
This sizable property has great subdivision opportunities. Bloomfield is a great place to live.
It's rich in history with many things to do, all located near Canandaigua Lake and Bristol Mountain. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 2775 Conn Road in Bloomfield.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!